Hello and welcome to this short video where I'll be showcasing QuickBooks Self Employed automatic mileage tracking capabilities. And I'm going to show you how this can save you a huge amount of time, make sure you have a detailed audit log should that be required, and how to maximise your tax relief on doing so. Now, as always, this can be used on any internet-enabled device, but I'd certainly recommend a phone or a tablet with location services due to the nature of this. So I'll start by going into my QuickBooks Self Employed app. Now you do actually have these handy tiles across the top, and that does link automatically to the mileage here. So it's saying I have 5 trips to review. This is my last week's mileage, so I'll show you how easy this is to do here. Now here you can see my trips over the last 7 days. If I start at the bottom here, well, I can actually see that was a trip to a client that I done on Thursday the 26th, and it's actually got my start time, the time that I landed, the miles that I've done, and a start and end point as well for that journey there. So where that's a business trip, I can simply swipe this right. I could make a note of, say, meeting client XXX and save that, and that's gone into my accounts there. And then likewise, this is actually the return trip, so I stopped off at the shop quickly on the way back there, so that's absolutely fine. I can put that in, and I could say the same detail there. This here is actually me stopping back, but I did actually stop off at a friend's house in Chelmsford for lunch that day. Now that's pretty incidental to my trip. I was there for, looks like, around 40 minutes. So I'll swipe this in for business mileage as well, and likewise with the final part. Then this final trip here, this is actually me just popping to the shops yesterday. Now the weather was very miserable, so please don't judge me on the amount of miles and time that it took there. That's not a work expense, so I can't claim relief on that, so I'll simply swipe that the other way to get that out of my account. And that's it, done. All of my trips reconciled for the week, as easy as that. Now if I come back onto my mileage here, I can actually look at my reviewed trips, and I can see the total miles that I've done and the tax deduction that I've gained from that. Just make sure, so I'm actually into the new tax year here, so I've toggled that on, and again likewise that's updated. And the best thing is that my accountant will be able to get remote access to this, a full detailed log for all my personal and business mileage to ensure that I'm maximising my tax relief available when completing my tax return. I've been QuickBooks Carl, and I've been showcasing QuickBooks Self Employed mileage tracking. Thanks for watching.